Confession time, dear viewers. If you are expecting a new book by J.K. Rowling, you are in for some disappointment. Although, if she sees this video, then who knows what the future may bring. But don't be too despondent, friends. There is a perfectly logical explanation to the title. Watch to the end, and all will be revealed about the Harry Potter connection and the signal. Affectionately known as the Harry Potter Bridge, the footbridge at the London end of Ropley Station on the Watercress Railway in Hampshire is in reality the Handyside footbridge. Built in 1892 by Andrew Handyside and Company, the bridge originally spanned King Cross railway station in London. The bridge featured in many films over the years, such as The 39 Steps, The Elizabethan Express, and possibly most famously in the first Harry Potter film, seeing Harry hurriedly crossing over it in an effort to locate platform 9 3/4. When King's Cross Station was rebuilt and modernised, the Grade 1 listed building was no longer required and was acquired by the Watercress Railway in 2008. It was overhauled, then eventually transported to Ropley and repurposed to span the track next to the carriage and boiler shop. Walking over the footbridge and looking away from the station, if we glance below and to the left, we can see a signal. Not unusual on a railway by any means, but let's look closer. Although the Watercress line is generally single track, the stations have a main and a passing loop track and platform. Trains heading towards London, Alton, are known as up trains, and those heading towards the country, Alresford, are known as down trains. Now, there are occasions where the down trains need to be routed through the up platforms. The signal we are looking at allows for down trains to enter the upside. Get it now? The upside down signal. The bridge is a lovely place to watch the goings on in the yard and have a photo opportunity of the engines passing by. In fact, there are many interesting things always going on at Ropley, so it's always worth stopping off from your train journey here. Here are a selection of views from the bridge.